How to find the Swift code of Santander Bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Vesnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can find the Swift code of Santander Bank. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple. How you can find the Swift code of any banks, right? In order to find the Swift code of any particular bank, you can check any paper or digital banking statements, or look at your account details on your online banking profile. You can also search for your BIC code using a digital Swift or BIC search tool by providing your country and bank location data. However, if you want to do it quickly, then what you can do is you can simply on your browser type in Santander Bank, enter in the particular bank name, and then enter in Swift code. Also, do not forget to enter in the country or the branch, particular branch. So, right, I'll type in here and you can see the Swift code for Santander Bank in UK is ABBYGB2L. So, this Swift code is ABBYGB2L. Then, after it, you want to enter in the code, the branch code of particular branch. So you can see it's 2 Triton Square here, and the branch code is ANB. So there is ANB at the end. However, if the branch is different, then you'll get the different code that you'll have to add up at the end. So this is how you can find the Swift code of Santander Bank. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.